The Raritan PX Intelligent PX 3-5460R E2 arrived at the data center looking less like a product and more like an operating decision. In a room where every rack unit had a cost, it earned its TU space by doing more than passing electricity from one end to the other. At first glance, it was simple, a horizontal rack-mounted intelligent PDU built for 208V single-phase service, rated at about 5 kVA and 24A. But the operations team knew its real value was not in what it carried, but in what it revealed. It accepted a NEMA L6-30P input and translated that feed into a disciplined network of roughly 20 to 24 IEC C13 outlets, each one a controlled point of delivery rather than a blind socket. Mara, the facility's lead, called it the nervous system of the rack. She had spent too many nights tracing failed servers with a flashlight and a meter, watching time disappear into guesswork. Gene, the network architect, wanted certainty. He did not care that the unit was quiet and compact. He cared that it could report load trends, expose concealed risks, and let the team act before a hot aisle became a headline. The first test came on a Thursday evening when a maintenance window threatened to ripple across 3 critical application racks. One legacy power strip in the neighboring cabinet had failed not long before, and everyone was wary. Mara watched the PX unit distribute power evenly, while Gene checked the dashboard for current draw, breaker status, and outlet level visibility. The numbers looked stable until one circuit began to climb faster than expected. That was the twist. The problem was not the PDU itself, but a storage array that had been quietly approaching its limit for weeks. The PX 3-5460R E2 exposed the overload before it became a shutdown. What had looked like a power issue was actually a planning issue. The team shifted the load, rerouted 2 devices, and documented the imbalance for capacity planning the next morning. By midnight, the rack was stable, the SLA remained intact, and the emergency became a controlled correction. Mara closed her notebook and said the unit had paid for its place in a single evening. Gene did not argue. He only noted that in modern infrastructure, distribution was no longer enough. Visibility was the real asset, and control was the margin between interruption and resilience. In the end, the PX 3-5460R E2 was not celebrated because it was powerful. It was valued because it made power understandable, manageable, and accountable, exactly where the business needed it most.